Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best coin loupe is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious coin collector or numismatist, allowing you to meticulously examine even the smallest details on your coins, from subtle mint marks and wear patterns to hidden scratches and imperfections, ultimately helping you to accurately grade, authenticate, and appreciate your collection far more effectively than ever before, unlocking a whole new level of understanding and enjoyment in your numismatic pursuits. Number 5. JARLINK 30x60x Loupe. Experience unparalleled detail with this magnifier. Its dual lenses provide crisp, clear views of even the tiniest objects, perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. It features a 30x and a 60x lens, offering versatility for various applications. Simply switch between lenses to find the perfect magnification for your needs. See your subject clearly, no matter the lighting conditions. The integrated LED light ensures optimal visibility, revealing intricate details with ease. This magnifier is built to last, combining lightweight aluminum and plastic for durability. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. From examining jewelry and coins to exploring stamps and rocks, it's a versatile tool for countless applications. It's perfect for professionals and hobbyists. Everything you need is included: the magnifier, batteries, a protective pouch, and instructions. We're committed to providing quality products and excellent customer service. What we like. It has two lenses for different magnification needs and a built-in LED light for optimal visibility. Its foldable design makes it ultra-portable, perfect for on-the-go inspections. If you need a versatile and easily transportable magnifier for various tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. Lightweight while still feeling like a solid product, battery has lasted a very long time, lights are bright and help with visibility, clear loupe and great magnification. Lightweight yet sturdy. Lights are bright, have two setting options and makes it easier to see minute details. Great design, easy to carry around. Both magnifications of the loupe work very well and having the internal LED lighting is convenient. Image quality is quite good for the 30x loupe. The image is sharp over most of the field of view. Number 4. Elikliv EDM4B Coin Microscope. It features a black base minimizing light reflection. This provides sharper, more detailed observations for a superior viewing experience. Enjoy crisp, real-time images and videos. Its large screen reduces eye and neck strain for comfortable viewing. Magnify from 50x to 1000x to see incredible details. It's perfect for authenticating coins, stamps, and antiques. Connect it to your Windows or Mac computer for larger viewing. Share live images and easily save or organize your findings. 8 adjustable LED lights provide optimal illumination. Get clear, detailed observations even in low light. Spark your child's curiosity in science. It makes learning about the microscopic world fun and engaging. Adjust the camera to object distance for different magnification needs. Find the perfect viewing angle for clearer images. What we like. This digital microscope boasts a large LCD screen for comfortable viewing and offers powerful magnification for detailed analysis. The PC compatibility allows for easy sharing and analysis of your findings on a larger screen. If you need a high magnification digital microscope with a large screen and PC connectivity, this is a great choice. What people say. The light is bright, makes the image clear and easy to see. The magnification is fine and the picture is clear. The scope has the ability to show magnified views in 3 different resolutions: VGA, 640, 720p and 1080p. The view on screen doesn't lack for enough light, as the scope has a ring of LEDs surround the lens and they're bright. There's no shadows in the picture from misaligned lighting elements, and despite just about everything on the scope being made of plastic, everything works as it's supposed to. Number 3. JARLINK Jeweler's Loupe. Get ready to explore the intricate details of your favorite items. This package includes 2 high-quality magnifiers, each with multiple magnification levels and convenient features. It boasts 3 magnification levels, 30x, 60x, and even 90x, allowing you to examine objects with incredible clarity. The built-in LED and UV lights enhance visibility, revealing hidden details. The second magnifier offers 30x and 60x magnification, providing versatility for various tasks. Both magnifiers come with pre-installed batteries and an extra set for extended use. The integrated LED light ensures bright, clear viewing, while the UV light helps detect fluorescent materials. These features make it perfect for examining gems, jewelry, and more. From inspecting jewelry and coins to examining stamps and minerals, it's the perfect tool for hobbyists, professionals, and anyone who appreciates detail. Its compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Made from durable aluminum alloy and high-quality lenses, it's built to last. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly convenient to carry and store. What we like. This set includes 2 magnifiers, one with 3 magnification levels, including a UV light for detecting fluorescent materials. The dual magnification model is also included for added versatility. If you need a variety of magnification options and a UV light for specialized applications, this is a great value. Number 2. 30x Loupe Magnifier. It's built to last with its durable zinc alloy body and sleek black finish. This ensures it can withstand daily use and remain a reliable tool for years to come. Simply place it on your table, its fixed focal length eliminates the need for adjustments. Easily view fine details of any object placed on the integrated scale. With its powerful 30x magnification, it's perfect for various tasks. From inspecting jewelry to examining textiles, it offers precision and clarity. Easily switch between bright white light for general use and UV light for detecting counterfeit currency. One button controls all lighting functions. Its compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for portability. The included soft leather case keeps it safe and ready for use wherever you go. The built-in scale allows for quick and easy measurements of small objects. This adds extra functionality to this already versatile magnifier. What we like. This magnifier is made of durable zinc alloy, features a built-in scale for precise measurements, and includes a UV light for added functionality. Its compact size and sturdy build make it ideal for various applications. If you're looking for a durable, high-quality magnifier with a built-in scale and UV light, this is a perfect option. Number 1. TOMLOV DM9 Digital Microscope. It's time to explore the microscopic world with the TOMLOV DM9. This digital microscope is incredibly versatile and easy to use. Let's see what it can do. The 7-inch rotatable screen provides a crystal-clear view of your subject. Its adjustable design reduces eye and neck strain during extended use. Capture stunning 1080p high-definition images and videos with its 12MP camera. It's perfect for detailed observation and documentation. With a magnification range from 5x to 1200x, it allows you to see the tiniest details. The bright LED lights ensure clear visibility. Expand your viewing experience by connecting it to your PC or Mac. It's great for sharing and analyzing your findings. It comes with a 32GB SD card, providing ample space to save your photos and videos. You can easily switch between photo, video, and playback modes. Built with a solid metal frame, it's designed for long-lasting performance. It's perfect for various tasks, from microsoldering to educational exploration. Choose from a range of photo and video resolutions to suit your needs. Remember that higher resolutions require more storage space. What we like. It features a large, rotatable screen for comfortable viewing and offers incredibly high magnification capabilities. The included 32GB SD card provides ample storage for your images and videos. If you need a high-resolution digital microscope with a large screen and ample storage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The display is of high quality such that whatever is in focus in the microscope is crisp. The accessories and controls add to the experience, particularly the side lights, which really help with precision and image quality in suboptimal situations. The major difference is that the image is sharp and clear, rather than the wide-angle fisheye image I have seen on other digital microscopes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.